In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your ManyChat Pro subscription. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and what happens after you cancel. First, go ahead and log into your ManyChat account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where ManyChat keeps most of the navigation. You'll want to look for the settings option, which is represented by a small gear icon. When you see it, click on it to open your account settings. After you're inside the settings area, look again to the left panel. Here you'll see different sections related to your account. Find the one labeled subscriptions, which is usually grouped under billing or billing related settings. Click on subscriptions to open the page where your current plans and payment details are listed. On the subscriptions page, scroll or look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Cancel Subscription. This is the main control you'll use to start the cancellation process. Go ahead and click that button. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up will ask you to choose a reason for canceling your subscription. This is a standard step that helps ManyChat understand why people are leaving. Take a moment to select the option that best matches your situation. It doesn't affect your ability to cancel, so just choose the one that feels most accurate. Once you've made your selection, look at the bottom right of the pop-up and click the next button to continue. The pop-up will then reload and show you a summary of what you'll lose access to if you go through with the cancellation. This might include pro features, automation limits, or other premium tools you've been using. Take your time to read this carefully so you're not surprised later. If you're still sure you want to proceed, look again at the bottom right of that pop-up. When you're ready to finalize everything, click the Cancel My Subscription button. This confirms that you really do want to stop your Pro plan. After you click it, your cancellation request will be processed and your ManyChat Pro subscription will be turned off according to their billing rules, often at the end of your current billing period. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your ManyChat Pro subscription.